surprised that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. And the mood is boisterous. It is a perfect ambience for the central characters who are ready now to perform. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. And that has been cleared. And now a sudden chance to counter. Engages and forces him off the ball. And he welcomes it in. Can he put it away? Marvellous goal!
Well, once more, it's him. And we can't be surprised because his instinct for doing this is incredible. Well, you've always got to have players that are willing to make the runs. And when you keep plugging away, that will happen.
I doubt very much that this was in the script. Marquinhos cuts it out. Cafu, and he can clear it away. Van Bouten. Vinicius Junior. Marquinhos spots it and intercepts. Iniesta. Foden. Van Bouten. And it's Neymar. And he was quick to react. Roberto Carlos. And they can counter here. Can he get it through? Might be danger here. Mbappe is on his own. Now it's Neymar. Oh, he's bustling through here. And now they can clear their lines. Costa Curta.
It's a decent chance to counter-attack.
Cafu. In with a header! Oh, should really have made more of that.
That definitely had the element of surprise to it. Clearly came in when no one was expecting it, and it was drilled.
Iniesta. And no, that is pretty much the end of that. Now it's Mbappe. Gets his pass away.
Oh, that's such a good run. More of that, please.
White attempts a clearance. No, that's been intercepted. Looking for options for movement. Cafu is there to clear. And they're back on the ball again. Played into space out wide. It's out of play for a goal kick. Iniesta going face-to-face with his great rival. Costa Curta.
Well, I wouldn't quite advise they should resort to risk-taking at this stage. There's plenty of time left yet. Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope.
Neymar, and a shot! Marquinhos getting this one clear. Van Bouten. Vinicius Junior. Lovely bit of skill. No way through. Cafu. Oh, they can break here.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Now Costa Curta. And it's Iniesta. Neymar.
They'll want to make the most of this turnover.
Well, there is a look that says it all. A piercing stare.
He made it look a bit predictable. Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
And it's been taken straight back. Pedri. Davids. Now then, the ball's come loose. Shot could be on Neymar! And he's really put himself on the line here. Corner number 2 then. He rises! Oh, crucial block! And he was alert to it. Cafu gets rid without sophistication. That's headed upfield. Davids. They've got a throw in. Vinicius Junior. Nice interception. His positioning was spot on. And here's the chance to counter. Pedri. Well read. Nice interception. Now it's Cruyff. Now it's Chiesa. Oh, that's an excellent interception. Pedri. Vinicius Junior. Oh, that's been cut out. Well played. Chiesa. And here's Roberto Carlos. Now it's Cruyff. And Cruyff! And he looked every bit the assured keeper there.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
Up for a header! And a terrific save from the keeper.
Chiesa clearly thought he had the beating of the keeper.
Iniesta. Iniesta! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
This their second corner of the game. Terrific header! They've scored! And this is getting better and better. A wonderful delivery, and all it needed was a touch.
Well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle. But that was beautifully met, it really was.
So that's 2 now without reply.
Well, at 1-0, this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other. Germany couldn't really be more watertight in midfield. Not a
loose pass, and they could be in. And he's managed to get free. It's anyone's ball now. And he's there to belt it away.
Mbappe, well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
And again, they run up against stubborn defending. Well timed, excellent interception. Foden. And the pass is intercepted. Cafu. Mbappe. Iniesta. And it's Vieira. That's a nicely measured pass. Well, he was clearly disappointed with that pass.
Look, the game is full of if.
Great hit! And that has earned a few nods of approval from the bench. Germany have their third corner. chance with the header! And it's Vieira. Cafu got a long way forward to join the attack. Now it's Neymar. He's beaten the last man. Check and pick that up. Chiesa. And he's had it nicked away. Pedri. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. And that could set him on his way. Can he finish? And that's it for the first half. A breathless ending. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
And the second half gets underway.
Look, before they might get too carried away with thoughts of getting back into the game, they can't afford to slip up and concede another. The next goal becomes crucial.
Van Bouten. He's gone forward. Aimed in towards the centre. Marquinhos clears it away. Mbappe. Oh, we expected better, and so did he. Looking for the runner. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. And the counter is on. Goalkeeper's ball. Foden. Cafu wins the duel this time. Cruyff. And Cruyff! It's loose now and they want to get it back. Oh, it's played into the area. And that has earned a reprieve for the time being. Iniesta with the clearance. Now it's Mbappe. And that has put paid to that. That's a good ball out wide. Now it's Mbappe. Mbappe gets... Now the finish! Yes! And they are pulling clear here.
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
(3-0) and things are starting to look awfully cosy. Cafu, and that has been cut short.
Are certainly playing with an intense focus in executing their plan here.
Now it's Mbappe. Germany looking to pass their way through. Now it's Cruyff. Germany needed that. They really needed it.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot on, and it was.
And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Pass is just off target. Oh, good ball! Aim forwards. Foden. showing good feet. Oh, facing up to his adversary, this is a formidable matchup. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Now it's Cruyff. He could be in here.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
And that's been intercepted.
That's just playing it safe and simple.
That's played into space. That's good vision. Cruyff! A real chance and a real let-off.
Germany were again presented with an opportunity to break and look very, very threatening.
Great defending, strong and determined. Chiesa. Now it's Cruyff. Oh, he's burst. Cruyff! And with the goal at his mercy, a dreadful miss.
Germany certainly look a very capable counter-attacking team. They're direct, they're quick, and to be honest, they're full of belief that it'll pay off.
Davids. Oh, he's going to be disappointed with that. Chiesa. Oh, the ball's gone astray. Danger averted for now. Now, what about a counter-attack? White. And he's gone looking for safety. Costa Curta proves too strong. Oh, it's a nice idea, but the execution was lacking. Now it's Cruyff. Shade too heavy. Keeper can pick that up. Iniesta. Vieira plays a sharp little ball. And Cruyff! They want to be quick to recover this. Beckenbauer. And that is a little undercooked. Well seen. Saw that coming. And here's Roberto Carlos. Oh, terrible pass. And that is going out for a goal kick. He's been picked out. Cross from Cafu.
There's nothing more infuriating for a fan than seeing passing without penetration. They're just stuck in a rut.
Roberto Carlos. Now it's Cruyff. Now it's Mbappe. Van Basten. Now Costa Curta. He's got away. Expertly cut out, really nice. Oh, shooting chance! Beckenbauer. Cruyff. Beckenbauer. Now White. Now that looks a decent ball.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Shifted upfield. Oh, that's well spotted. Beckenbauer. Now White. Chiesa. Aimed beyond the defence. Nice interception, well timed. That's going to go a long way. Vinicius Junior. Chance here to counter. He has found the way through. Excellent challenge there, uncompromising.
Well, this does not look promising, Peter. The least they can do is to give the crowd something to cheer about, but that might be difficult from here.
It's a good run down the right. Opts to play it back.
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Oh, now here's an interest. And the finish! He's got a goal! Players ecstatic, fans delirious. This is utopian. Stylish in the extreme, a delicious goal.
Oh, give me this every week. The technical ability was superb, and you can see he meant every bit of this.
Things looking so easy, almost too easy here. Cafu. White. That is good pressure, just hounded him off it. That pass has been well intercepted. Oh, there's the clearance. And that's been won straight back. Has a shot! Oh, the ball's come loose here.
He was berating his defence before making the save, and he's at it again now.
Van Bouten stands tall and big chance! And that's wide. Oh, the chip pass hasn't quite come off. Vieira. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. Aim forwards. Now it's Chiesa. He's found the... Has a go! Oh, terrific save. And there goes...
Nongrang.